This sample program demonstrates using a while loop for input validation. As you can see, the minimum number of players on a soccer team should be 9 and the maximum number should be 15. The user is going to enter how many players they have overall and how many players you'd like per team, and that'll tell you how many teams you can make and how many are left over. So first it'll get the number of players per team, so the user is going to enter this team size. And then we use a while loop here to validate the input. While the team size is less than the minimum number of players, which is 9, or greater than the maximum number of players, which is 15, it'll again prompt the user, it'll give them an error message, and it'll prompt them how many they want per team. And this will keep going until they give you something within the range 9 to 15. So remember from our previous chapter, the OR operator is used to determine when something is outside of a range, what we're doing right here. And then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to ask how many players are available for the soccer teams. And if they enter something negative, it'll keep repeating until they enter something positive. And then it'll calculate the number of players divided by the team size and the number that are left over, which is the player's mod team size, and display the results. So let me run this. And if I put something in here like 6, it'll say the team size should be 9 to 15 players. How many do you want? So I'll say 16. The team size should be 9 to 15. How many players do you wish to have? So now I'll say 10. How many players are available? Well, if I say -4, it'll say enter a positive number. If I say -6, that while loop will continue, and so enter a positive number. So I'll put 215. So this will make 21 teams, right? 215 divided by 10 with 5 players left over. 215 mod 10. All right. So again, using a while loop to validate your input is demonstrated in this sample program.